When I think about our interview today, and I think about one thing that you might take away, right? It's not whether or not you buy my course and whether or not you believe half of it, okay? What I hope you take away from today is that whatever it is that you are dreaming of doing, it is 100% possible. It is 100% possible. And you are going to have rough moments, and you are going to feel like it's not working, and you're going to feel like maybe it's failing. But if you keep going, if you keep asking questions, if you, like Robert said, keep taking risks, and you keep walking forward, and some days it might even be that you're standing still, but you're still standing in the art, in the dream that you want to have, then I will 100% promise you it'll come to fruition. It will come to fruition. It is a long journey. We always say it's a marathon, and it really is about continuing to keep going. And if you're wherever you are and you're sitting in your bedroom like I was as a little girl daydreaming about being an actor, if you're somebody who is doing that very thing, then I just want you to know that I did it. It's possible, and you can do it too. And I was from a little small town where there was no acting classes, and there was no television and film industry. There was no way to do what I did, but I did it, and I want you to do it with me too. So I want to see you. I want to hear from you, and keep going. Thank you to Robert and his team for helping this come to fruition, and we'll look forward to seeing everybody online.
Very cool. Thank you, Katie, for your time today.